Huh? What's this? A vending machine. Well, since there is a vending machine, I'm going to break the vending machine by using a hammer. Yay! I smashed the vending machine with a hammer. Oh no!
Jane Fitzgerald. How dare you smash the vending machine? That's it. Go home right now and I'm calling your dad.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Jane Fitzgerald. How dare you smash the vending machine at Plywall near Goes. That's it. You are grounded for 952 months. Go to your room now and sleep forever.
Put me down or I'll scream!